This segment brought to you by Aimpoint. Hey gang, Larry Vickers, and I want to welcome you to our new private range. This was built by a friend of mine near my home, and we have access to it for filming. We have roughly a 30 by 30 meter square area here that's gravel, and we have up to a 200 meter shot. Berms on 270 degrees. We have the opportunity to do different drills, shoot different weapons, and execute different training scenarios that you guys give us ideas for. So make sure you send them our way, and we'll shake them out here on the Eli range, which is our name for it. First one up, the Aimpoint challenge. We use a B8 replacement center bullseye. We go back to 25 yards. This is the baseline version of this challenge. 20 shots. The bullseye itself, you can print online or you can order them if you want. It's out to the 9 ring is 5.5 inches. 10 ring is 3 1/4. X ring is 1 3/4 inches. 20 shots total. You're gonna shoot 5 shots standing, 5 shots kneeling, 5 shots sitting, and 5 shots prone back at 25 yards and come up and score it. Total possible, 200 points. My personal goal, 195. This is part 1 of the 25 meter Aimpoint challenge. I'll show you part 2 in a minute. Okay, I'm back here at 25 yards or 75 feet. 5 shots standing first, slow fire, going hot. Okay, now, going kneeling 5 shots. Okay, now sitting. You can do open leg or cross leg, your call. And now prone. All right, time to go down and score it. All 20 are here. Okay, 200 possible points. Now I have a 100 meter point aim, point impact 0, so at 25 I'm gonna hit low, which means I have to favor high in order to put it in the 10 ring. Well, I favored a little too high. I was up here, I should have been more in this zone. All right, the majority of my shots are on the upper end of the 10 ring. Nevertheless, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 9 ring. This one here would be cut in a 10. Technically, I would get that as a 10. I'm gonna hold myself to a little bit higher standard, so -5, 195, which is what I was hoping to get. Now we're gonna go back and do it again, but this time you have a 1 minute time limit. Start standing 5 shots, kneeling 5 shots, sitting, and prone, all 5 shots, each position, 20 shots total, and you gotta do the whole thing in 1 minute. If you want to put up a fresh bullseye, you can. Take this one down, take a picture of it or whatever. Remember, this is going to be your yardstick to compare the next score to. My goal would be 190 or above. That would be my goal. If I could do this one 190 or above, I'd be a happy camper. Stay tuned, we're fixing to go hot. All right, here we go. Back here at 75 feet, 25 yards, 1 minute on the timer. I've got it set on delay. I'm gonna hit the green button, set it down, and it's game on. 5 standing, 5 kneeling, 5 sitting, 5 prone in 1 minute. Here we go. Time to go check it out. Last shot, 47 seconds. Okay, we've got 20 shots. Got one out here in the 8, that's a -2. Got 2 in the 9, that's another -2 for a 196. Now, if I'm tough on myself like I was the first go around, I'm not gonna give myself that one, so I'm down -5, all right? 195 out of 200. My personal goal, if you remember, was 190 or above, all right? So I passed. Now, if you shoot this drill and you're routinely shooting into the 190s, you need to challenge yourself and take it back to 50. Now, next week on the Aimpoint Bullseye Challenge Part 2, I got a couple different versions of this that I'm gonna show you back at the 50-yard line. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, we wanna hear your ideas on the stuff that we can do out here at the Eli range, so make sure you put it down in the comments. Also, I wanna thank Aimpoint, and I wanna thank you guys first and foremost. Stay tuned for more. LAV out.